Yeah, hello. Now welcome for Football and Pidgin. After match talk how you see Arsenal 2 and Fulham 1 and we get Oga Wet. We be like saying now Ogbonge Arsenal fan. Make on tell us about how you see the game. Oga Wet, now how you see Arsenal performance for this game. 4 wins out of 4 match where Arsenal don't play so far this season. Now what do you get to take country people?
Well, I not believe say this match they'll fit come back like this because the way Fulham defend even tension me. One thing when I look forward to this match now that Mitrovic, you see all the cross wey dey cross enter the 18, you see how say we struggle a lot, and that aspect we need to work on am because we go play with top strikers wey be like say you dey see all the Ireland dey get height, all those kind of people. We need to work on all those aspects because you dey see how say we struggle today a lot because of that thing. So even today I fear, but the mentality on how they take come back for our last match, you see how they take dey respond to heavy goals wey be like say they score us. You understand? That one na one thing wey be like say I see one positive wey I see this season. Our response to things. If you see, if na last season before, if na you see the way they go dey fear, dey shake, but they believe. The team they get that belief.
They get that ginger.
Yes, they get that ginger. So I like that mentality. So that one na progress for us. You understand? So we go dey move forward from there. But today game na tough game. We need to change our tactics.
Okay.
You understand? Because if you see say many teams they try look at Arsenal and say if we defend deep, we go fit work on all these guys. More try to cross the ball, they cross the ball, enter, so that we go fit dey find Gabriel Jesus. That guy dey head o. That guy good at heading. Go check his statistics. That guy good at heading. You understand? So we need to dey cross more of the ball. You dey say, we just dey pass the ball. More dey find the man. They find am because he get ball control. Na person wey get ball control. If the ball fit meet and land on a leg, na problem for any. Yes, to any defender na problem. And I just need Arsenal. We need more signing. You see the midfield today. The midfield today.
No Thomas Partey. The midfield come be like say he open.
Oh boy. That Elneny not be person who go fit rely on. Because Elneny na only that sitting back, that defense na e sabi, but going forward Elneny not be that kind of person who go fit rely on. Now we need better creative midfielder. I surprised say West Ham dey collect Paqueta for where we dey, how much they take conclude that deal. You understand? It shows say we just dey spread speculation on Twitters and the rest. More try art. Because the window now only next week now we get to you dey see am. So we need to act more, bring one midfielder, one creative midfielder wey we go fit trust. Say this person, if you hold the ball he go fit deliver, he go fit find pass the way Odinga dey find pass. So we need person like that again wey go just sit for that midfield for, and one winger wey go dey give Saka competition. The boy fit relax. You dey see am say today now nobody fit replace am because forget say yes he give one assist to at least, even though I never confirm whether the goal na own goal but at least he need competition for that place. He need competition, so we need to work on that thing, and all the head do make they try because we need that. If we get that two place, the midfield and one winger, make you know say this season e go tough for any team, any lesser team wey wan play Arsenal, e go hard for them. Na only the top big team I know say yes now they go fit face Arsenal the way we see am. That's why I see the game today. We need to improve more on our, and I like our mentality. You see our mentality, our response, immediately they respond well. That one and they show say we can do it, we can get this goal. And that mistake not worry Gabriel Magalhaes. Yes, he not worry am. If not before you say they go dey shake. But I like the way he respond. They see the pass for the back, and they see get that confidence. That na positive. It shows say defense dey. With the Arsenal wey we dey see so defense dey. We dey go somewhere.
Okay. We dey talk about the midfield now. Make I ask you about one player wey don dey link with Arsenal, wey be midfielder, Yuri Tielemans. Now wetin you get to talk about that Yuri Tielemans link? You think say make Arsenal close that deal before the transfer window, or make they go for another midfielder? You think say Yuri Tielemans go fit improve that Arsenal midfield?
Yes, I don't watch the boy clip now. I don't see clip. I don't see the boy get confidence. Now person will get pass, and if they score goals, he get goals for inside cabinet. So we need that kind of midfielder. You understand? If Arsenal see they look on some other creative midfielder, I don't know, because Arsenal did this season, nobody dey fit dey predict am.
But yes, closed door. Nobody
yes, but Leicester now don't make her open for us. Say 38 million go fit close the deal, so we can negotiate. Based on add-ons and performance, we can get the guy.
And 1 year now you get remaining.
Yes, we can get the guy. Yes, we can get the guy. More just get the guy. That guy go give better positive to the midfield. Because na person wey know say going forward, yes, and he tackles, you see the try. Now just the defensive area, we know say yes, he take dey short. But that going forward, we need am. Because now we get one of the best defense in the league. You understand? We get one of the best defense. So if our midfield, they fit dey produce goal, that means say we go fit deliver.
All right, now make I ask you about this game now. Now, which player be your man of the match for Arsenal?
And today the performance na Martinelli I fit give. Because if you see the boy's spirit from start to finish, we get luck. So we get this kind of midfielder, no lie for you. You dey see Martinelli, he work rate for the game. For going forward, apart from you go look say Saka dey try, Gabriel Jesus dey try. But that Martinelli, if I dey fear sef, make that man not go injure. Because he work rate for us going forward. Oh Bob, you dey see am say he can play left, can play right. The boy not get weakness. You understand? So na just he finishing for now. But if you check the boy previous record before he come England, he dey score according to the match wey he play. So if that, you imagine say if this boy fit enter a peak, goals full body o, go check his stats. That boy if he play 10 matches, he dey score 10 goals. Na so Gabriel Martinelli be. Go check all the Brazil record. Na so he be. And if you see am say he first season wey come Arsenal, how many matches he play, he score according to the goals. If you fit remember. So that guy now will give man of the match to me.
Okay.
He try.
So, but make I ask you now, how you go see the work when Mikel Arteta and Gaspar do for this transfer window? You think say these players when they don't sign in, players like Zinchenko, Gabriel, you think say all these players they don't improve Arsenal from the level where the team did last season to go another level?
Yes, I believe, because if you see those two people, especially those two boys from Man City, oh boy, the winning mentality with them, you dey see them now, you dey see and say now people will be like say them, you see Gabriel Jesus attitude today. You understand? Now person will be like say he no wan lose this game.
No one give up.
Yes, he no wan give up. And he dey say for Shanko, forget say not play today. I wish he play today for see the high spirit wey that guy dey bring into the team. So, but the window I never dey satisfied with am. We don't do good business. We don't say progress dey. We don't say this squad now, we don't need to add the right players. And we don't say yes, only the few ones we bring. The rest to never play, but we dey get confidence say we don't get better window. So if we can bring more, if we bring better like 2 or 3 players more, you know say this Arsenal, maybe at the end of September, people go dey talk about this Arsenal saying that they get the best window. Okay. That's what I just feel.
All right, now.
We need to do more.
Okay. Okay, wait, before I go let you go now, which message you get to tell other Arsenal fans?
Well, more just keep the winning mentality going. The belief. Like today, I get up on my mind, say we will still win 2-1, we will make that mistake. Because I don't see the mentality of all those boys before for the previous match. And this game now, even my last game, may you know the tension, but I still get that belief. As that first go enter, I know say see time now, we must win now, we must win. You understand? And I believe say even our next match, now Aston Villa will go play now. We'll win that one. That one a sure banker. Now that Man U match I never know because we dey go Man U home.
Okay.
So that but I know say I predict time from the starting of the season. I play the full 5 match. Say Arsenal go win the 5 match. And that one further enter. Okay. Just say me that one for me. For you understand? Right. So that one I want to be like say I feel just tell you about me Arsenal fans. Want to have it Arsenal more keep the belief going. We can do it. You got one guy play Arsenal to win Premiership 500,000 for Bet Naija. Not be joke. That guy they show you say the way they see this Arsenal we can do it. You they see the Man City, the Liverpool now, they fuck up now. Now only we never drop points. And I believe say all those small clubs, it go dey difficult for them to play us. It go dey, if you look last season, it dey very difficult for them to play us. So we Arsenal fans, more just believe say this season trophy day. Okay. More just believe say trophy day. So more keep that winning mentality. They oppose anybody. All those Man U fans, Liverpool fans. Yes. More they get strong match. We dey say all these our fans, they know they see our post and everything for inside Instagram.
They see normally now.
Yeah, they see her for Twitter now. All those your believe, they see her, they motivate them for that side. Say the fans, yes. They're not where they go America, they don't believe now. The kind fans will turn up and they see the love. So more continue that love, more believe. Because I only believe, now we fit do one.
Clear.
Yes, now say just.
All right, now, Gawe, thank you for your time. Your face show and your shoe shine.